Hey everyone, on today's episode, we're getting a free oil change at Findlay Mazda. I pulled into the service bay on a Thursday afternoon and Seth came out to greet me. He then took my keys, took the mileage, and took some photos of my 2022 Mazda CX-5 Premium. We stepped inside to see if there were any open recalls, but luckily there weren't, so he asked me to wait about 90 minutes for the free service. And I went over and got some snacks, plenty of snacking options available here. I like to see it, but I was craving a hot chocolate, and in fact it was less than 90 minutes. It was only about 60 minutes or an hour for my oil change to be completed. This was awesome, it was efficient, and it was absolutely no cost. Thank you, Findlay Mazda.